Hello everyone. Today, I would like to introduce how Japanese coin laundries have evolved and are providing the latest services, new technologies and services that greatly change the concept of traditional coin. Laundries are appearing one after another, bringing changes not only to convenience but also to the lifestyles of users. Let's take a look. Chapter 1: The spread of smart laundry. Through the introduction of IoT technology. In recent years, the introduction of IoT Internet of Things technology has been progressing in the coin laundry industry, greatly improving the convenience of users. IoT is a technology that connects various devices to each other through the internet and automates data collection and control. This makes it possible to remotely control washing machines, check their usage status in real time, and improve the efficiency of equipment maintenance. For example, the Smart Laundry app developed by Wash Plus Co., Limited, allows you to easily operate washing machines, make cashless payments, and receive notifications when washing is complete, all with just one smartphone. As of February 2025, this app has achieved 500,000 downloads and is supported by many users. In addition, some stores have introduced a reservation system linked to the app, allowing you to check the congestion status in real time. This makes it easier for users to schedule their laundry in advance. In addition, Aqua's Cloud IoT laundry system allows you to set and operate machines remotely, so you can set prices and handle problems without having to visit the store. This system also makes it easier for owners to manage, and you can check the machine's operating status and revenue data from your smartphone or PC, making management more efficient. It also has an alert function in the event of a malfunction, allowing for quick response. Chapter 2: The emergence of laundries with cafes. In order to make effective use of the time spent waiting for your laundry, an increasing number of coin laundries are being built with cafes. A prime example of this is Baluko Laundry Place. Using the latest machines and a carefully selected original detergent, they clean not only everyday laundry, but also duvets and shoes. In addition, you can relax in the cafe space while waiting, making laundry time more comfortable. These laundries with cafes go beyond just being a place to do your laundry, and also serve as community spaces for the local area. Some stores have workspaces that are used by nomad workers and students as places to study and work. In addition, more and more stores are focusing on food and beverage menus and offering organic coffee and healthy snacks. This is transforming the daily routine of doing laundry into a more fulfilling time. Chapter 3: The rise of eco-friendly laundries. In recent years, as interest in environmental issues has increased, the introduction of eco-friendly laundries has also progressed. For example, laundries that use nanobubble washing to remove dirt, using special technology without using detergent, and energy-saving dryers have appeared. This makes it possible to provide a clean and comfortable service, while reducing the environmental impact of laundry. In addition, new attempts are being made to aim for a sustainable society, such as the introduction of recyclable detergent packs and systems that optimize the amount of water used. In addition, Wash uses patented detergent-free washing technology Wash Technology, and by washing with Wash Water, which is 99.9% water, it provides washing that is gentle on both the skin and the environment. In addition, by utilizing the dedicated app Smart Laundry, you can make reservations and payments cashless, achieving both convenience and environmental consideration. In addition, some stores are operating in an energy-efficient manner using solar power generation, and efforts are being made to reduce electricity consumption. It is expected that technological innovation in eco-laundry will continue to progress, and sustainable forms of laundry will spread. In addition, the introduction of highly energy-efficient washing machines and dryers is also progressing. For example, the latest drum-type washing machines are designed to maintain their cleaning power with less water and electricity than conventional models. In addition, various efforts are being made to reduce the burden on the environment, such as the introduction of recyclable detergent packs and systems that optimize the amount of water used. Chapter 4: Development of diverse services. The coin laundry industry is developing a variety of services to meet the needs of users. For example, Wash and Fold provides a laundry service for people who are too busy to do laundry. By washing, drying, and folding daily laundry and delivering it to a designated location, the burden of housework is greatly reduced. There is also an option to select a washing method suitable for specific clothes, and it can also be used for delicate clothes and high-quality materials. In addition, Blue Sky Laundry offers a service called Shopping to Laundry, which allows you to do your laundry while you shop. making it convenient for families who are busy with housework and childcare. The widespread use of laundry facilities for families is helping to create a more comfortable lifestyle. Blue Sky Laundry is a unique coin laundry that is available nationwide, and its greatest feature is that it functions as a disaster prevention base. In the event of a disaster, the laundry machines and dryers are made available free of charge to help disaster victims secure clean clothes. It is also highly convenient during normal times, and is open 24 hours a day and accepts cashless payments, making it easy for even busy people to use. In addition, it has introduced the latest washing machines and dryers, and uses gas dryers to improve the finish of laundry. Some stores also have a cafe space, so you can spend your waiting time comfortably. Blue Sky Laundry also strengthens its ties with the local community by holding community exchange events that utilize the laundry and disaster prevention drills. These efforts provide users with a sense of security, while also contributing to a quick response in the event of a disaster. Blue Sky Laundry, which balances improving the disaster prevention capabilities of the region with improving the quality of life, is attracting attention as a social contribution facility that goes beyond the scope of a traditional coin laundry. In addition, Wash House has set up a call center that operates 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, providing an environment where users can use the service with peace of mind. In addition, safety-conscious initiatives are being implemented, such as a locker service for laundry users and strengthening the lighting system, so that laundry users can use the service safely even at night. As a new initiative, there are an increasing number of initiatives to set up shared spaces within the laundry to make effective use of waiting time. For example, there are facilities that set up workspaces and reading spaces, and even propose a laundry exercise style that combines laundry and fitness. Chapter 5: Future Prospects and Further Development. Japan's coin laundries are significantly changing their traditional image with the introduction of IoT technology and the development of a variety of services. They have evolved to meet the needs of the times, such as improving user convenience and considering the environment. In addition, the latest AI technology is being used to optimize washing time and automatically adjust detergent. Furthermore, in recent years, there has been a movement to make coin laundries not just laundry facilities, but also hubs for local communities. For example, some laundries hold free workshops and events for local residents to make effective use of the time spent waiting for laundry. In addition, cafes and co-working spaces in laundries provide a place where users can interact with each other, contributing to the revitalization of the local area. In the future, new types of laundry services may emerge, such as further expansion of laundry cafes, linking washing machines with smart home devices, and proposals of optimal laundry plans using AI. This will make our lives even more comfortable and convenient, and coin laundries will have value beyond just being a place to do laundry. In addition, reducing the environmental burden is also a major issue, and technological developments such as energy-saving dryers and systems for reusing used water are being advanced. This will create a sustainable laundry environment and achieve both environmental protection and convenience. Above is an introduction to the latest coin laundry situation in Japan. Why not try the evolved coin laundry for yourself? Summary: Japan's coin laundries have undergone an amazing evolution, with smart laundries that utilize IoT technology, laundries with cafes, and eco-friendly eco-laundries. In addition, they are also beginning to play a role as a base for local communities, providing convenience and social value that goes beyond conventional concepts. The latest technologies and services are constantly emerging, and we can expect even more evolution in the future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest information. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.